The Acura CSX is a compact luxury sedan that was produced by Acura, the luxury vehicle division of Honda, specifically for the Canadian market. It was introduced in 2005 as a replacement for the Acura, and was based on the Honda Civic platform. The CSX was available in two trim levels, the base model and the more premium Type S. Here are some key details about the Acura CSX. General information. Production years. 2005-2011. Body style. Four-door sedan. Platform. Honda Civic 7th and 8th generations. Class. Compact luxury car. Engine specifications. Base model 2005-2010. Engine 1.8L inline 4R18A1. Power 140 horsepower 104 kilowatts. Torque 128 pounds-ft 170 Newton meters. Transmission 5-speed automatic or 5-speed manual. Type S model 2006-2011. Engine 2.0L inline 4K20Z2. Power 155 horsepower 116 kilowatts. Torque 139 pounds-ft 189 Newton meters. Transmission 5-speed automatic or 5-speed manual. Features. Interior. The CSX offered a well-appointed interior with features such as leather seats, a premium audio system, and a sunroof available on higher trims. Technology. It included modern amenities for its time, such as a navigation system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a multi-information display. Safety. Standard safety features included dual front airbags, side airbags, anti-lock brakes ABS, and vehicle stability assist VSA. Performance. The CSX was known for its smooth ride and responsive handling, typical of Acura's focus on combining luxury with performance. The Type S model, in particular, offered a sportier driving experience with a more powerful engine and firmer suspension tuning. Market position. The CSX was positioned as an entry-level luxury sedan, competing with other compact luxury cars like the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4, but at a more accessible price point. It was well received in Canada for its blend of luxury, performance, and reliability, though it was not sold in the United States. Discontinuation. The Acura CSX was discontinued after the 2011 model year and was replaced by the Acura LX, which was also based on the Honda Civic platform but aimed at a broader market, including the United States. Overall, the Acura CSX was a popular choice for Canadian consumers looking for a compact luxury sedan with a reputation for reliability and a premium driving experience.